Hello and welcome to this tiny kitchen cooking video. Today I'll be making a couscous mix with whatever I got in the fridge. So let's get started. I already cut up this butter pumpkin. I thought the camera was on, but hey, you just missed me cutting up the butter pumpkin. And you can see the pieces are a bit bigger because I like to have some contrast in the food, so not everything doesn't get like small pieces, because it gets like kids food or baby food, I mean. So next up is some onions and garlic. One of these or half of it. And I really don't use or like garlic that much, but my wife bought a pack of them, so we have to use them up. So I'm gonna put in a slice of this one and half of this. Okay, so the garlic is done. In you go. Butter pumpkin, red onion, and just a slice of garlic. This one needs to be eaten up, so in with the paprika. Good source of C vitamin. Yellow paprika has more C vitamin than orange. So basically you can eat a lot of C vitamin with your lunch. Just add some paprika. There, in with it. Okay, up next are the kidney beans and chickpeas, which are left over from yesterday or the day before that. So in with that. And here we go. Now I will do the big swap. So all that was in this bowl will go in here. Just take out every piece, and the couscous will be made in this bowl because I will just add hot water to the couscous. That's all you need. It's so simple. I don't usually have couscous at home or make it that often, but every time I do, I remind myself of, wow, that was pretty easy. And some oil, so this is going to get cooked. Let's see what happens here. Just some seasoned salt, turmeric. Can't go without that. I like chili. It's winter time, kind of want to get hot. We're only in this kitchen over the winter. It's quite cozy and nice, but we don't have all the things we have back at home. So to cover this up, I'm just going to use a pan like this to keep the moisture. Now let's go and finish the couscous. Okay, so this should be enough. And then I add water to the same amount, and I just let it be. And just for the sake of it, I have some sesame seeds that have been around for a while, so I'm just going to add them into the mixture on the top here. Another thing, if you want to have a sweet touch to your food, add some raisins. Just spread them all over here. I'm not going to do that this time because I've been eating a lot of dried fruit, so I'm kind of, avoiding it for the lunch. Wow. These guys were thirsty. Have some more water. Okay. So this is about down here. Oops, I'm gonna eat that one up. I'm not gonna put a sauce here. You can add some tomato sauce, coconut, whatever cream you want to, because I'll have a dressing later on, and I like to have this mix kind of a bit dry so I can add my own dressings to it and sauces and stuff. If you bring a lunchbox to your job or something like that, this food is perfect. Now, if I had some peppermints or mint plants, you can cut up some leaves and throw it in here too to have some freshness to it. But I don't have that. I do, however, have an orange, so I'm gonna put some slices of orange in here. How about that? Went pretty fast, didn't it? Now, to see if this is done, take the pumpkin and try it. It's done. Crispy, still soft, delicious. It's time to mix these up. Oh, this is gonna be so good. So the main thing is done here. It didn't take that long, right? Now we're just gonna add some details of things that I have in my fridge. Here's the empty plate. We're gonna fill it up. Okay, let's put this on the plate. Like this. Then we have the slices of orange, as promised. Ayvar on the side, rather more than less. A dressing, just some random stuff in it, like this. Okay. It seems that I won't be avoiding raisins because in this mix of cabbage and red onion, my wife put in some raisins because, yeah, this is strong and strong stuff. It's pickly, you know, pickles, side pickles. Good stuff to have. So you can add it to your plate. Oh, here would be nice. I think this is done. I'm not gonna bother with the plate anymore. Looks delicious, right? Took 20 minutes to make. You always have something to put in the couscous. You always have some kind of a side thing to add to the plate. A lemon, orange, or whatever. Okay, so that was that. Healthy, easy, simple, and delicious food for everyday life. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the best. Ciao.